Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install themes on your cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to be using the theme manager, which is built into cPanel, and you can use or delete themes for cPanel, login, and the webmail interfaces. And just some disclaimers: you cannot create custom themes or localization for the web host manager, and you cannot use the interface to customize the theme, so keep that in mind. You can use the WHM's customization interface, which is in home cPanel customization, to apply changes to it, but let's get right into it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is check if these files exist. These are file dependencies which you need to have to actually be able to control the interface, and that's user local cPanel base frontend $theme password and change pass.html, as well as index.html. And without these, your site will not work, so you need to have these in order for everything to function with a theme correctly. Now users will not be able to change their passwords if you used WHM's force password change interface to require the user to change the account password, or the user password is too old or too weak, as you define in the WHM's configure security policies interface. So make sure that these files are available, and yeah, you do need to have or copy or create these files in order for everything to function. Then you can go into the theme manager, where you can select the default cPanel themes. You can click customize themes under default cPanel themes, and it'll directly direct you to WHM's customization. You can use themes for cPanel, the login, and the webmail. So you can use manage themes to install any of these. Now you can preview a theme by clicking on the looking glass icon. You can clone a theme by clicking on the sort of two copied folders or files icon that corresponds to the theme. A new interface will appear. You'll need to name the clone theme and then click submit, and it'll clone it and display it in the themes table. You can also download a theme by clicking on the green arrow icon. You can delete it by clicking on the red X and clicking yes to confirm. And to upload and install a theme, you do need to download it first, then go to manage themes, and under install theme you need to choose a file, then click upload on the theme that you want to upload, and then it'll appear in the themes table, from where you just need to select it, and that is pretty much what you need to do to install a theme. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.